What's up guys, in this video you are going to learn how I manage my YouTube content strategy using Evernote. I'm Andy, you're watching Learn How. Let's jump right into it. You've got a YouTube channel, you've got ideas for videos, but you need to stay organized. That's the big thing here. You need to stay organized with your business so that you're not always scrambling to try to get something together. Trust me, if you can plan and organize your YouTube content strategy, you're gonna relieve a lot of stress and you're gonna stay ahead of the game. You're gonna stay at the forefront of your YouTube growth. So let's talk about how you could use Evernote or any other sort of program to stay organized with your content strategy. One of the reasons that I like Evernote, I don't know, is because I can use it very easily here on my computer, but then I can also use it on my phone if I need to. And I can use it for a few different reasons. So I like to use it to come up with blog article ideas and write down my keyword research scores. I also like to keep my business operations in check and do some strategic planning for my YouTube videos. So you can see here for like my YouTube videos is what I would do is I would write down like series. So like, let's say I want to do a different playlist. So thinking about your business or whatever topic your YouTube channel is, you could think about different like mini series that you could do. So for me, like I could do a series about SiteGround, Instagram, iPhone settings, TubeBuddy, WordPress, like different sorts of little mini series, and then think of videos that fit within those series. So then if I was doing like, let's say a SiteGround series, I would type out SiteGround, and then I could come up with, I would just brainstorm ideas. So I would brainstorm like how to get SiteGround hosting. Let's see, how to, let me make that a prettier bulleted list. How to get SiteGround hosting, how to set up SiteGround SSL, SiteGround cPanel tutorial. I would just brainstorm, I'll just do like a little brain dump and put down some different ideas. Then is what I would do is like I show you in another video on my channel about how to do YouTube keyword research. I would go and search these terms and I would look for a more refined keyword to use. So let's say if I were going over to YouTube, how to get SiteGround hosting wasn't the best keyword score using TubeBuddy, but how to set up SiteGround hosting was a better score, then I would just change this. I would say, oh, okay, let's change this to how to set up SiteGround hosting. And then like after I've done the research for it, maybe I'd make it bold so I know, okay, that one's ready to go. These ones I haven't yet checked on TubeBuddy. I haven't optimized the keywords yet. And something else that I like to do is if I want my title to be a little bit more catchy, I'd also like underneath, I'd put the actual keyword. So let's say that the actual keyword is SiteGround hosting. I would put that beneath right here, my video idea. So I'd say the name of the video in 5 minutes, you know, some crazy title that I want to use. And then underneath I'd put the keyword. So I remember when I'm making the video, oh, the keyword for this video is SiteGround hosting. So I need to make sure that I say that in my video. And when you have a YouTube content strategy like this, where you're consciously thinking about these sort of things, it helps you stay a lot more organized. Because pretty soon you have a long list of videos that you're ready to produce. And then you can sit down and do a batch recording. So you can sit down and record 5 videos, have it all written out, know what the title is beforehand, quickly review your notes, review, okay, keyword is SiteGround hosting, the title, how to set up SiteGround hosting. Then boom, you can jump right into it. At the back of your mind, you know, I'm gonna throw in SiteGround hosting. I'm gonna throw in SiteGround hosting. Not spamming it, obviously, but it's just making sure that you mention it in your video so that you can catch that YouTube search algorithm. So that's just a simple, easy way to stay organized with Evernote with your YouTube content strategy. You don't have to use Evernote. I mean, you could use iPhone Note. I'm not an affiliate for Evernote or anything. That's just what I use. You could use Excel. I also like to use Microsoft Excel. That's something that I'm using a lot more just because I like the way it breaks down the columns and I can sort different categories a little bit easier. So I'll probably do another video later on to show you how I sort my YouTube content strategy using Excel. But a simple note app that syncs on your computer and on your phone nicely will help you stay organized and give you kind of an idea moving forward what types of videos you're going to create. And this works for all types of videos. You don't have to be an instructional tutorial how-to channel to do this. This could be for vlogging as well. You could plan out vlogs instead of just going by the seat of your pants and just like vlogging about whatever and then just hoping like, hope this is a good one. Do a little bit of research, plan out 5 videos, plan out 10 videos in advance, do the research, find the keywords so that you can sprinkle them in your vlog. Then you feel a lot better about your vlog doing better in YouTube search instead of just, being a trending video and then being done after that. If you like this video, if you learned something new, guys, I would highly recommend you go check out TubeBuddy, like I mentioned in this video. I've got another video on my channel that you're gonna wanna watch to do some keyword research, but I have a lot of videos on my channel that talk about YouTube and growing your YouTube channel as an online business. If you are building an online business, I'd encourage you to stick around and subscribe because I've got a lot of video tutorials to help you strategically build your online business. And it is the best way to make an income is to build an income for yourself through online business, through YouTube, through blogging. So make sure you go check out some of those links in the description below this video for some resources to help you get started. I'm Andy Isom, you're watching Learn How. I'll see you in the next video.